Hello guys, welcome back to Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix iCSee camera keeps going offline. So, in this case, if you're having problems with your camera here, well, there are a few things that you may want to try here to see if you can actually fix this one. So first things first, or first thing that you want to do is you want to start the camera and router as well. So in this case, you want to power cycle them. Now, in this case, do a quick reboot here and plug your iCSee camera and router, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in, and this actually helps refresh their connection and often clears up any temporary glitches or problems that you may be encountering here. Next is you want to check your power supply. Now make sure the camera is getting consistent power here. So for wired models here, ensure the cables and adapters are securely connected and not damaged. Now for battery operated units here, check if the battery is actually charged. Now if the charge is not, or the battery does not have enough charge here, this might be the problem here. And next is you want to verify the Wi-Fi connection here. Now, in this case, cameras works best on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. So ensure that your router is broadcasting a 2.4 gigahertz signal, and the camera is within the range of the router. Now, if your router combines both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz under one name SSID, so try separating them or try disabling the 5 gigahertz to avoid confusion. And also, you may want to update the firmware and app here. Outdated firmwares can cause stability issues, so you want to open up the iCSee app and tap on the camera you want to update. Then go to settings. You want to go to device information or about, and if the firmware update is available, you see an option to update it. Now follow the instructions, and you should be good. Next is you want to reduce the wireless interference here. Now keep the camera away from electronic devices that can interfere with Wi-Fi signals, like for example microwaves or other wireless gadgets here, or cordless phones here. And also this actually helps maintain a strong and stable connection, so make sure that these devices are not in between your camera and your actual router. And finally, you may want to reset your iCSee camera. Now, if nothing else works here, do a full reset. Now, while the camera is powered on, locate the reset button, usually a pinhole. Now, use a pin or paper clip to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds, and release it once the LED light starts blinking. Now, wait for the camera to reboot and reconfigure it in the app. Now, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.